So you want to make good thumbnails like your favorite content creators. I'm Flynn, and today I'm here to show you how to make thumbnails like Jacksepticeye. So first of all, I wanted to make the easiest type of Jack's thumbnails, the ones he uses for his longer running series. For this one I took inspiration from some of his Life is Strange 2 and Death Stranding thumbnails. In these images we mostly have a central character from the game masked out with a blurred background. Sean usually uses a Gaussian blur of about 4 to 8 pixels to really make the character stand out. The masking process is fairly simple. I just select the subject using the quick select brush and refine the edges later on in the select and mask menu. I use the smooth, contrast and refine edge sliders to make the mask more, well, smooth and refined. This helps if you want to have a stroke around the character, something he sometimes likes to do. This however didn't work out great with the image I used, but your mileage may vary. I also made the background a bit oversaturated, gave the subject a ton of sharpness and a drop shadow for extra clarity. You can also add in a logo at this point, but he doesn't do that for every video. This is the end result. Next up, I decided to remake one of his more recent thumbnails using all the before mentioned techniques. To get this same shot of Spider-Man, I used the clip I recorded myself to grab a high quality screenshot of the scene. Though it's important to get high quality images for your thumbnails, it doesn't matter all that much when it's all compressed down for YouTube uploads. As you can see, I just downloaded the game logo off of Google Images and erased the Marvel logo. It's important not to make the thumbnail too cluttered, so stick with only 1 or 2 subjects, a fitting small color palette, and remove any unnecessary text or visual oddities. Here's the original, and here's the one I made. Jack has mentioned that he sometimes likes putting lens flares into his thumbnails. To do this, you can find any image with interesting lens flares and layer them on top of your image with the screen modifier. Now only the flare remains and the black background is gone. Try to mess around with the layering and opacity to get your desired look. Now onto our final image. This time I went with an Among Us thumbnail. He uses this style a lot more recently for more of his comedic videos. Meme Time, smaller games like Power Wash Simulator, and his Minecraft videos, just to name a few. Jack has mentioned he likes to put faces in the thumbnails, since humans are very good at recognizing faces. This way people will notice the video way faster and better among a crowd of videos all asking for your attention. I added some Among Us buzzwords like 1000 IQ and the name tags of him and Valkyrie, just to make it that much more visually interesting. The font I used is called Bartha Wheel, which I found when looking for the font he uses in his bloopers and outtakes videos. I messed around with the colors to get the best legibility and made it as clean as possible. So I hope you learned anything along the way. Let me know who you want to see featured next in the comments down below. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more of these types of videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and bye.